lose, but this time it's task eliminator. Go. Hello. Okay. Okay. Bring up a picture of Squidward and play it again. Why? What? You just can't. You're just not good at imagining. Fuck. Russell went.
3, 2, 1, go. Nice. All right, Excalibur again.
Hello, Violetta Famella. Hello, Turtle Snoot. Thanks. Don't ignore that, please. Sorry. I don't do that very often. That's true. I also, I'm not. To Miami, bienvenido a Miami. Just you don't watch me. My hair's falling out. Thank you, Couchman. Okay, you like that one? Yeah, I like this one too. Hola, ¿cómo estás, guapo? I'm gonna sneeze. Who's that? All right, let's go in. Let's go all in. Let's get. Oh, my drink. Why is there writing on your face? It says. Oh. I don't know what that means. 155. I found it. Okay. Yeah, you missed Dad. Did he ask about you? No, sorry, he doesn't know you. Count of W's. Now I'll be right back. Green. Pow, 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 pow. I want some cheese. I chose the name Poopernoodle because I so I swirled it too much and now right, okay. It's a fizzy lemonade. Soda. You like that? Okay. Sorry. Am I doing it right? Swirling. Doesn't matter. Salty surprise? Excuse me. It really doesn't take long to create this mixture. Right. Jeffrey Bezos. Oh no, I can't do it. That was better. I wear a bra because I don't like it. It's not very comfortable.